your chance to be rude.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
So guys, I came to store. Thing is that my spark plugs were worn. I tried to clean the previous ones with the metal brush and burn them with the flamethrower, but it didn't work. So yeah, look at them. They look like actual trash. So yeah, last time I wanted to crank it up, it didn't start, and I checked everything again. Did it have a fuel? Did it have a spark? Did it have blah blah? I checked everything, and then I noticed that there is so little spark that almost there is no spark there. It was one spark was okay, and the other 3 cylinders were trash. So yeah, I just bought the new spark plugs. Bought 4 of them, 4 new spark plugs, and after I'm going to install them, I am more than sure it's going to start up well, and maybe it doesn't start, I don't know. I will change the spark plugs and we will going to see what is going to happen after that. I'm so excited. Like this, one for you, one for you, one for you, and one for you. Now screwing. Yes, my friend. Very many screw. Yes. Go zip ties. Yes, my friend. No mounting points. Go zip ties. Very good. This one goes like this. Screw. Mounting points. Very good. Screw. Screw until tight, then use ratchet, my friend. Yes, now you have to use ratchet to tighten them up like this, my friend. Tighten, this tighten. Yes, very good, very nice. Attach these things, my friend. Yes, these go on holes like this, my friend, like your wife. Very good, like this in hole strong, my friend. Very good. Don't forget to put everything tight, exactly like your wife. Yes, my friend, inside here. So yes, now spark plugs okay. Now attach gas tank. Yes, very good. Then seat and everything is done. Now with the magic of editing, I will do like this. So yeah, now everything is in and everything is set up and the bike is ready to start. And guys, I haven't tried it yet, but trust me, I'm more than sure that it will start because it had problems with spark plugs. And let's give it a quick try. We will see. Is it going to start? Oh my god. If it is not going to start, I am more than sure it's going to start up well. It will start now. I don't know what I'm going to do, but yeah, I will be very sad if it wouldn't start. And the moment is here. 3, 2, 1. It works. It freaking works. And listen to it. Oh my god, I can't explain the feeling that I'm getting right now. Waiting for I will go for a ride now. I will go for a ride and check is everything okay. The idle is pretty nice. The idle is, it's okay, like 1000 RPMs, I guess. Yeah, it's 1.5. Yeah, it works like a shower. So guys, we started the bike and now we are ready to do a test drive. So guys, let's take a quick moment and think about what we learned today. Did we learn anything? I learned that don't take too big steps. Guys, if your bike is not starting, check for the spark first. Does it have a spark? If it doesn't have a spark or has a crappy spark, change the spark plugs. Don't try to restore them or anything. I didn't do it first time. I tried to restore the old spark plugs, but don't do it. Spend the 40 euros and you can be sure that the spark is okay. So, what did we learn second? Maintain your bike good, because the next owner will be happy and the next owner will see if you maintain it right. And the third thing is be happy and choose something that you love. Do something that you love. I'm fixing the bikes. I love it. That's why I'm doing it. Just do something that you love. And the biggest thing that we learned today is don't take too big steps. If you don't have spark or you have any issue with sparking, just change the spark plugs. And thank you for watching this series. Comment down below if you want to do anything with my bike or something. Just comment down below. I'm so thankful for everybody who watches my vlogs or stories, because I want to share them with you, because you can see how happy I am if this thing starts. And I don't want to be here alone. I want to share everything with you. Thank you for everything. You are my heroes.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.